President Yoon Suk-Yeol declared martial law on December 3, 2024, citing the need to address what he described as a den of criminals within the opposition-controlled National Assembly. He accused his political opponents of collaborating with North Korea to destabilize the country. The declaration sparked immediate backlash from lawmakers, the media, and the public. The National Assembly convened an emergency session and voted to lift martial law within hours. This move led to the initiation of impeachment proceedings against President Yoon by the main opposition Democratic Party, with the impeachment vote scheduled for December 14, 2024. Nationwide protests erupted, with thousands of citizens demanding President Yoon's resignation. The political crisis also resulted in the resignation of several officials in Yoon's administration, including Defense Minister Kim Yong-hyun. Despite the backlash, President Yoon remained defiant, vowing to fight the impeachment and defending his actions as necessary to protect the state. The political turmoil has paralyzed politics, halted diplomatic activities, and rattled financial markets. The situation remains fluid, with the impeachment vote and potential legal consequences for President Yoon still pending.